But give you the favorite, man. Them want to know about the stew peas. A lot of people cooking the stew peas, but they don't know what it means. You know, so you have to go explain to them. Oh, it's stew peas, though.
Karen don't know about it.
No, they don't know about it.
Yeah. If you cook stew peas for your guy, he will never tell another lie. I know it's true.
What stew peas can do.
If you cook stew peas, you better cook it right, and he'll never come home late at night. I know it's true.
What stew peas can do. There you go.
So what you do is D. She gone or she? Where she is now? No, still here. She gone.
You gone.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them Well, blessed love. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, guys. I know when you see the thumbnail, you must be like, yes, you know, guess where, So guys, please smash that like button, hit the thumbs up, and leave your comment. Tell me where you think I am going. If you already don't know, who might think, where is Kina going? Let's see, where is Kina going, as you can see from the thumbnail. So, as you can see, I come get the car cover the car while I'm away, because in Jamaica, you got dust, you got rain, and I don't have a garage where I could park it inside, so I have to get myself a car cover the vehicle, the Lamborghini, get to cover the vehicle. So guys, thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Welcome. So this is the day. As you can see, I'm getting prepared. I'm getting my car cover, so I will take you on the journey. I need to go to the barber shop to get the just cut up and thing. I have to go and get all that sorted out. So guys, just stay tuned. I remember to check out. I remember to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Don't forget to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So it is that time. I'm excited as well too. This is gonna be my first travel vlog. it's actually my first travel vlog. This is gonna be my first video traveling. No, sorry, my second. First one was the USA. You know, I need to go back there as well because I got so much fun over there in the US. And this one now, soup. But I know you'll be commenting, be guessing. Woo. Yeah, the big trailer. Yeah, so I know you'll be guessing and say where's Keenan's going, and I can see you typing now in the comment section. And I see some people jumping for joy. I see someone laughing, some say yes, we know. Some say, oh, I don't know. Some thinking, let's see. And we also, let's see. So let's take you on the journey. Let's take you on the journey. So I need to go to the barber shop to get my hair, get a haircut. You know, and get some things sorted out. Get ready to hit the road. Because I remember I told you, when you see that pose, it is that time. It is that time. It is that time. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so I'm here in Arbitrary. No, I'm gonna get myself a patty, you know, before I leave. You know, I have to get my patty first, you know. Get a patty and a cocoa bread. Get a regular thing, the patty and the cocoa bread. I know everyone's wondering, where's Keena's going? Hey Keno, looking forward to see you guys. So I think like anyone, most accurate the first one to answer it correctly in the first comment section, I will know who. So if you guess it right, I'll be coming to your country next. And you're gonna host me. What you say? Coming to your country next and you're gonna host me. So let's go eat two patty. Let's go eat two patty, guys. Definitely. I am patty greed right now. I don't know what's going on here in Arbitrary, but I can hear some mic noise somewhere and things. This is all not to cross road in Jamaica when it's busy like this. Alright, can cross. Run. So I just finished my party. Oh. Yeah, I just finished my party. Yes. Feel much better. So I'm gonna head to the barber shop. Get a haircut. Arbitrary is busy today. Entertainment and all of that. So busy. Arbitrary is so busy today. Busy. Telling you. Busy boy, busy day today. Very busy. Then go to the barbers now. Get a haircut. Then I'm gonna head into Trenchtown to go see Esther and them. See the Esther and the team. Because it's still a surprise. No one knows yet, you know. But they know by now you're watching this video. So that's how it is. So are you still guessing? Are you still wondering? You still wondering? Are you still guessing where Kina is going? Still guessing and still wondering, right? Keep guessing. Just stay tuned. I'll take you on the flight right to the destination. Right there at the doorstep. You will see everything. Bring him. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my barber. I'm literally just step out.
All is well.
Long time no see you. Happy New Year, boss.
Happy New Year.
My boss, man, say phone girl, I'm from my boss. Oh, a long time no see a man like you.
Yeah.
Like you fly out on a party.
Still there, see you, man. I'm still here, man. Still here. Yeah. Man says seems like a man says a long time you see a man like me. A man like me. Who's a man like me? 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 Well, I guess that's what him said. So him say him take my fly out. I'm still here. Me no gone away. No. But yes, but he's right. I'm definitely flying out. It looks like flyer, but I'm definitely flying out. I guess he's seeing the future. Right? He is seeing my future. He is seeing my future. So now I'm waiting on my barber. I know way more gone. Probably gonna walk and get a bit exercise, but here we are on the tree where they have the cruise barber and spa is. Cruise barber and spa. Barber and spa. So I don't know where this barber gone to. Halfway tree. Oh, here's the barber. Barber. Barber pants, man. Oh, wow. Barber, you can walk good. Man, your pants affect the whole back your foot. You know?
No, man. Pants,
That's affect the whole back your foot, sir.
no, man. I saw you look upon some more time.
Mind if you are around, you're dropping a big.
Nah, come on. I saw you front look upon some more time.
Yeah. That is it.
Oh.
I'm loaded, man. International barber, you know, so international. Right, so you know what time is it now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell me if you like my new hairstyle. Yeah, so you have to link me if you want to check out my stylist, you know, and you have the barber as well too. See you, man.
One. Right, there's a reason you have to spend every currency. Right, there's a reason you have to spend every currency.
Yeah, man, so I get a lot of phone call the other day. When I put him up on the program from all boss or pure clients him have overseas. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bigs.
That's why everyone now move from here and just turn up one place for the whole day.
Big left on them phone. Biggs, you never tell them man in an international long time.
I'm gonna tell them, man, yo, international. Movie star barber here, no joking.
Yeah.
LA style.
Here, but not here now.
My youth, you know, sir.
Not with you now. Not with you now.
Man, so be an international phone call and get the other day.
No, I'm not talking about that part. You know what I'm not talking about.
Oh, Biggs, me attack.
Yeah, you know what.
Biggs, you know how I go on, Biggs.
I don't know what happened.
Well.
Outside here.
On international barber. You know the thing now. Do it. See there? Real rich.
Manners, huh?
Yeah, but real rich.
No joke. 1,000. See that? Yeah. And a regular client, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, big move.
Big move. Yeah, sure. Yo, come on, yeah.
Check here too.
Yes guys, so after getting my airport, I'm gonna go to grab I wanna go to grab a towel. I want to go to grab a towel. Yeah, after I got my airport, I wanna go and grab a towel now. You know, so already packed and everything, so I'm good to go. And I'm ready. So after my airport, I'm gonna head down to Trenchtown now. Head down to Kingston and then link Esther, getting some fish and thing.
Starting some music video now. Starting some music video now.
YouTube, are you an artist? Oh, yeah, what kind of song you sing?
Every kind of music, dancehall, versatile. You want to use something for your phone?
Yeah, no, you have to give me versatile on the camera and tell them where to find me. Like a versatile, you have to just give me.
So, which we can freestyle?
Anyway, man. You want to walk on so bad now here then?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see. I'll probably like go over here, over here. Just about this side. I was going somewhere. Was it this side? I think I was going the other side. So what's your artist name?
Morgan. Chris Morgan.
Eh?
Chris Morgan.
Chris Morgan.
Morgan.
Where the singer or DJ?
Either one.
So give me it live then, no?
I'm going to play with him.
Eh? Give me freestyle. Can I remember that you're an artist and you're supposed to can just give me just like that, bam. You know, rhythm without rhythm, anything. It does.
I have an next one more and sing to you.
Yeah, how you go?
Them try to fight you all when nothing you never do them. Yo, people love you, that's why me turn to myself. Some we eat and drink with you and still want hear you dead. Give me all, no me fall and can't call him for help. Me heart break and so many peace me send because of fake love and the one bag of pretend. When me say loyalty, me mean 100%, but me can't say brother thing when me even know who are my friend. But me glad me hold me own and do without you. Yeah, who and I saw you gon' go. Cause with people it's like seminar vlog. And my feelings hurt, love get me heart broke. Boy, me no know I'm an officer also. Get a youth we journey long, we never see no shortcut. Me get stabbed in my back when time and I look through no fair road enemy in your circle. Them keep fight we but we still try. Away them a go do when I feel time. That me want know, that me want know. Yeah, I say Chris Mogul, you know, representing, you know.
And then you can find him on YouTube.
Yeah, man. On YouTube, same way, man. Chris Mogul. On Instagram, mogul.click. MOGLA.click. CLIC. Yeah, I say.
Alright, then Chris Mogul. Look up yourself.
Cool, man.
The guy,
yeah,
you can check him out. And
yeah,
look for
man.
his music on
Same way,
YouTube.
man.
See him here.
Yeah, Chris Mogul.
Chris Mogul.
Otherwise, mogul.click on Instagram. Go follow me.
Alright, then big up, big up. Yes, guys. Come here, Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Life, yeah. K-I-N-O. That's it, come. See this. See there. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so blessed love, guys. Blessed love. It's Chris Morgan. So the same have talent. You know, Jamaica, that's one of Jamaica thing where the talents them is here. Because the way the youth them can really try to make it out sometimes by the music. Yeah, so by walking, I think I'm in the wrong plaza, I'm in pavilions, right? Yeah. So I need to go over to the next one. So I need to get myself out to Spring Pavilion. Something else. Singer make a store. This guy walking here in Kingston Spring Road. Oh, mini one. No, you listen to it on. Oh my God. This is Twin Gates. Yeah, so now we are Twin Gates Plaza. If you're familiar with Twin Gates Plaza, you know, Twin Gates Plaza, I need to get some vests. Where can I get some vests? Oh, hey, blessed love. You have vests? Marina them?
We don't sell that. Yes, sir.
You don't sell?
Sell the best.
Yeah, Marina.
Yes, we have one.
How much coming at them? 3?
3.
How much for the 3?
3,000.
3,000. Alright, give me 3. Yes guys, so I got a few nicks and knacks, you know, to take with me. So I guess that's me for now. So now I'm gonna head back down. I'm gonna go to Trenchtown now. So that is it for me for the day. So link up with Esther as well to start some more stuff out for the journey. Yeah, so it's been a long day, as you can see. Trying to sort out everything and make sure everything is okay. So guys, stay tuned. Remember to smash that like button if you're watching. If you reach this far and you forget to put the thumbs up, what are you waiting on? I know you cannot wait to see the big moment, to see when I touch down. When I touch down, and then you're gonna say, okay, I did know. I know you cannot wait to see when I touch down and say, okay, I did know, guys. So come on. So if you know and I know and everyone's watching, they know, let's wait and see who's gonna know, right? So I'm heading back down to the car, you know. Woo! I know you must excited the way I'm excited as well too for this journey. Wow. It's been a journey. So stay tuned. I will be back. So I'm heading to Trenchtown right now. Hey, Trenchtown. There's always traffic here on this road. Always traffic. So much traffic on this road, boy. So many traffic on this road. Me too, guys. I'm really excited for this moment. I'm really too excited for this moment for when everything unfolds. When everything unfolds, I'm really excited for this moment. You know, I feel that thrill to know that I'm gonna make that move now. You know, feel the thrill to know I'm gonna make that move. That move. It is that move. So let's take you on that move. So guys, I'm gonna head down to Trenchtown now. So let's stay tuned. English.
Yeah,
All is well.
man.
Like you just touched down.
Yeah, man.
Last time safe on YouTube, don't so.
Yeah.
Down in that town, my boy, that asked you a question.
Yeah. People alone make go through glass.
Cool on, yeah.
Hold them the way you do. Yeah, my brother?
Yeah, man, cool on.
Continue, yeah?
Definitely, brother.
Yeah, man. I hate, man. Peace.
See it there? Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, so I'm in Trenchtown now. Yeah, just reached it's pure traffic and everything, so I'm in Trenchtown now. Man, yeah, so anyway it goes already. There with Mother Teresa.
Hi.
Yeah, walking through. It is that time again. Rolling through Trenchtown. Go through the yard and then I say, cut through the whatnot, yeah. Cut out this. I will dodge them. Ah, Rasta Jackson. Hold up, Rasta Jacks, like you smell the rat.
See that movement of one. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just come from work. The same time I just step out of me, you see. On the street, tall pay, just Rasta Jackson. You know, it's the ball of them. You know. Tall. All is well. Yeah, walk. I'm just there forward here, you know. Yeah. Blacker. All is well.
Ah, that is put me in now.
Yeah. Alright, can I come on for therapy?
Yeah, I'm here.
But me not finish it.
Come
Come on, man. Time to finish it. Alright, I give you a piece. How you go?
Cold front in my bed last night. And time I finish it.
Yeah, so is that a warm one? Is a cold one?
You know about.
Is that the breeze will blow?
Alright.
So the pillar them cold.
No. You know what they say? On the front.
Guys, have to stay tuned for that one day, you know. Yeah, you see. I'm to the Corona, because me I said that one the most gone #1 by now, you know.
You're the one the bad man. The one the bad. For Corona taking over the place.
Hey.
Yes, and everybody a feel hold them space. Oh man, you not fit touch your face.
No.
Put on your glad mask.
Put on your mask.
That's it. That's it.
That is it. Yeah, man. Rose, you have to give them half an hour beer, Rose, you know. Don't it? Cool, man. The bag of paste of the world. And him have 2 months segment.
Soon get some, come soon build that one there for you. Cold front.
Cold front.
They must say from what day.
Yes.
Be a cold front.
If you cook stew peas for your guy, come on.
Oh. No.
Reaching out to all them hot girls in a them own Brazilian air. Here's some girls, but that no fit you.
Hey.
Tell them you don't care because them bright. Tell a girl say she know hot so bright. Her body full of pure skin.
No sir, our body full of pure what?
Come in, man.
Oh my, rose to the world. One rose, it could never be a other.
Yeah, man, time I finish that one day, you forward and we deal with it.
Alright then. But you the favorite man, them want to know about the stew peas. A lot of people cooking the stew peas, but they don't know what it means. You know, so you have to go explain to them. Oh, it's stew peas though.
Karen don't know about it.
No, they don't know about it.
Yeah. If you cook stew peas for your guy, he will never tell another lie. I know it's true.
What stew peas can do.
If you cook stew peas, you better cook it right, and he'll never come home late at night. I know it's true.
What stew peas can do. There you go. It tie you like a row. Alright. Yeah, and you the nuts. Rose, yo, we need to have a Rose show, you know. It's no joke. Rose, just tell me when they're ready, we can start a Rose show here in Trenchtown.
Alright.
Right?
Come on, don't worry yourself.
Alright.
Line it up, you know.
Alright. Just let me know when you're ready. We have a Rose show here in Trenchtown.
That is it.
Alright then. Man, as you know.
Yeah.
Alright. So, Rose. And I lie. Feel good now, because for a man, I'm not laugh, so you know. So I can laugh, you know. Better fish. Black it for me. Oh, it him and watch now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, watch me now. Yeah, watch now.
That's him.
Yeah.
You do the what? Zeb says, "Shah, see him there."
Well, Rose, just give me a session a while ago, you know. Yeah, I might give me a session a while ago, buddy. Yeah, dead with love. Rose. If you cook stew peas. I'm saying I do a new one. There's a new one called cold front. I tell give me a piece of the cold front. There's a cold front in his bed. There's cold front in his bed. Yes, we're here on the Palavin Street, the one and only 3rd Street. Who I saw him. Oh, I call him Dream. Dream, why you calling my name? Go ahead. Barney back. Endo. Kill man this. Tell me why we're not kill for scanner for me. Scanner. Liquor, you were telling about the scanner. Scanner and 4 feet or something.
Yeah, no scanner with him on still.
Yeah, your friend.
Yeah.
Set to your friend. When?
Whenever you can run it for you.
Anytime I can run him.
I remember On Monday, we can't leave on Sunday. I'll probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, depending. I tell the man, if me can tell Jamaican, we work more time.
Yeah.
I use the match, man, yeah.
Alright then, because I want to get in cable because we set up him house, you know, so all the mean and cable.
Oh, okay, man.
Yeah?
I show me guys.
Alright.
You reacted to me last night.
Dream, 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 dream. Dream, dream, dream. Like diving. Whoa! You know? You know the thing? Like strip off him, stick them. Yeah. Oh, strip off him, stick them.
Yeah, man, is it?
Is it? New York not once but twice.
You know? Straight.
No, not once but twice.
Time cold still, you know, to me, I brush up some fish.
Yeah, so the fish I'm frying everything.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's start get them over and do our thing, you know?
Yes, okay, I know I'm gonna hit the road.
Oh.
I will be back.
Yes, man.
Yes, man, I know the thing go.
Twice, you know? You know the thing go. Sky, I don't know. Hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. Come back some more. You see me, I say, when I go for steel, I come back. You know?
Yes, exactly, you're coming back.
Straight.
Definitely coming back. We're boom them around there.
Go around this, sir.
Yeah, look, the man them. Boom down the mice. Ah, cool.
Man. Yeah, man.
Oh, Rasta clean. Sure, fresh. See, boom is out, clean, ready. Like a him go take off today. Yes, guys, you know what the thing go. Where's Esther? She upstairs, right? I wonder if Esther start to use the pot here. Esther, you better can cook. Take me a buy pot for your look. Lord. You see when I come catch the cookings. Esther, you better can cook. Take me a buy pot for your look. You're not going for a restaurant and don't me bum book. Cook. Well, guys, Esther cooking. Which one is? So I go on. Wait. This plantain and fried potatoes. Fry on the floor. Yes, guys, you see there? So Esther, you know, by now everyone's see the thumbnail, you know. So by now everyone's watching them see the thumbnail, so they know what time it is. So this is what I'm taking with me.
No, see the record.
Oh, over here.
Yes.
Oh, so this is all me. Wow. Look, guys, fish for the plane. Fish for the plane. Woo, woo. It's fish for the plane. 2, 2. So now 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. A lot of fish. Imagine that. Fish for days, fish for nights, and fish for morning. Yeah, so fish for the morning, fish for the days, fish for the nights, and fish for the sky. And this is this one, right? Well fried sweet potato done by Esther. You see me, guys, think Esther can cook. Now remember, by the pot, she's not looking, she's cooking. Alright, so if you think she's only looking, hey, you want to see what Esther fish look like, guys? Oh, so these are the fish. Fish as well, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to see next to them. See the guys, whoa. This is what Esther going with. Fish for months, fish for days, fish for nights, and fish for years. So the fish look, so the eye look on eye. Yo, the eye look on eye and eye. What are you looking at? Thank you so much, Esther. All the people are gonna say this plane smell fishy. Yeah, yeah, they're gonna say something's fishy going on this plane. You know? Okay, everyone been anticipating, they cannot wait to see where I'm gonna touch down. But I told you, if I see that pose.
That pose there.
So guys, I'm saying stay tuned, man. You're gonna see, you know. Remember, leave it in the comment section. Anyone get it right? I'm buying you a sorrel beer. One sorrel beer. Everyone been saying, Kino, yes, finally. So as the pickle is boiling upstairs, so I put the pickle for the fish, you know it goes. Pickle for the fish. The upstairs I go you know the thing go. So let me go look on Esther pickle. Go up here a pickle. So upstairs now, so guys, so this is our new cooking area as well too. Upstairs we have running water now upstairs. Running water is upstairs now. Woo! So we're gonna do a lot of rooftop cooking. So we have the coal stove here. You know, it's very nice. So whenever the guests them come, if they want a rooftop cooking, they're gonna get the rooftop cooking. See the peck. Woo! Smell good. This smells so good. I'm not even lying. It smells so good. So you know we're gonna do a lot of rooftop cooking as well too. So stay tuned, man. You know it's only the beginning of greatness ahead. You know it's only the beginning for greatness ahead, right? So forward ever, backwards never. So going forward ever, backwards never. So guys, just always stay tuned, you know. The journey will always continue. You know, we're all here for a purpose, so you should know your purpose. I think I'm serving mine, you know, well, or I'm supposed to. And I thank you, like the viewers who support me also on this journey. You're also serving your purpose as well to for helping out the less fortunate and the needy. Even the viewers. Even if you put the thumbs up, it does help, you know, because we have to help each other. Each one help one, each one teach one, you know. No one's perfect. No one is better than no one. Right? So while we're here on this universe, we're here for a period of time in this physical form. You know, but while we're here in this physical form, let's show some love. Because only love can drive out hate. Only love can conquer all. So there's only a few of us in this world, you know, trying to show love. So we're gonna gravitate to the positive, not the negative. So the more we gravitate to the positive, we're gonna attract more positive people to come join this program. Because whenever you're negative, I know you're gonna feel uncomfortable when you be around so many positive people, because you're gonna feel so odds. So you know, it's always greatness doing the great work of the Almighty. You know, it's always within. You know, everything is coming from within. It's from the heart. If it was the mind, follow the ego mind already, and the ego mind is a keener run. You've done enough. Go and do what you're doing. I'm here doing the greatness. So blessings to my moderators. Thank you so much, my moderators, for always doing a great job as well too. You know, keeping it positive there, same way. You know, and keep the love and the joy. So yes, man, yes. So stay tuned. That is it. You know what time it is now, guys. It is time. It's that time again. Cheese! Cheese! Come in! Cheese! They're wondering where we're going, right, Esther? Yeah. Guys, you see the suitcase pack, but a one pack. Yeah. And a hero pack. And a me pack. And a Esther pack. And a Kino pack. And a me pack. But for them see the thumbnail, them know a O pack. Yes, guys, so we're on the journey. You know, we're leaving on the next plane now. Jeez! Going on that next plane. Put on the seatbelts. Right now, better be safe than sorry. So more safe. So even on the plane, seatbelt and everything on. So blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning, good morning. guys. Moments like this.
Again and again.
It's that time again. Guys, it's that time again. Well. So we're here at the airport. And it's really busy. Come, we're gonna do it. See me there.
No, you're not going night. You're not going night, baby. Yeah, you're good, my general. Yeah.
So y'all go on stylist.
This is like this.
Alright, yeah.
That is it.
And then no one said it's that time again. Alright, well, guys. This is it. This is the goodbyes for now. Cause you know the thing go.
When you come back.
Bumming ball. Keep the ball bumming.
Yeah, sure.
Plane smelling fishy. No, that's how the plane smelling fishy. Oh, daily.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I show me that on the video.
Dep on that. We're not business. You're after Dep. Hey, yo, Marcus, look what I go on, Marcus, look what I go on. Boom. Well guys, we are duty free. You know, duty free. So while you're on duty, you get everything free. Duty free. Boom. Man like boom.
Yeah. So we are now. Yeah.
Man, how you play me? Remember that you play me so far, man.
Long going up.
Eh?
Long time,
man. A good while now without Coventry. No, man. I've done it already, man. You know, in the duty free area, you know, check in and everything. Check in, check. I guess you're still wondering where is Kino going, but you must know by now, you know, because most I want to get it right by looking in the live stream, in the message, the comment section in the premiere. I know most having to get it right already. Right, so I need to get myself some snack. Hey Bulla, bring some Bulla. Original Bulla. Bring some Bulla, some bun. Blue Mountain Cafe. It's got some trouble.
boy. We'll be alright, so blessed love to all. So thank you so much to all my viewers. Thank you all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching Chino Life in Jamaica. You know, and I guess you guys are so excited the way I am excited, right? So I guess we all are excited for this moment. Here are the tops. At the tops. Sooner or later, you're going to see a Chino Life in Jamaica picture in your algorithm. Yeah, that's
So what you do with D? She gone or where she is now? She's not still here. She gone.
He's gone. If a shout out. What's your YouTube name? She's a YouTuber. What's your YouTube name?
Expression Travels.
Expression Travels. So guys, check out Expression Travels. Big up yourself, Jay.
Big up yourself every time.
Watch out now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better